Can a ceiling fan chop your head off? Before I put my head in that fan, level 1, we have a balloon. See if it pops, folks. Oh my God. As expected, the balloon got absolutely obliterated. Level 2, we got a water bottle. I'm just gonna throw it up there and see what happens. Yeah. Ow, brother, oh! Surprisingly, the water bottle did not break, but it did make a giant dent. Final level, before we try my actual real head, I'm gonna put my hand up there. I just wanna see how fast this thing really is. I don't wanna get like knocked out, you know what I mean? Ow, brother, that hurt a lot more than I expected, I can't lie. Final level, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for my head. If you think my head's gonna get chopped clean off, like the video, but if you think my head's surviving, subscribe. That's a good deal, even shaking on it, now you have to do it. Good deal. 3, 2, 4. Ah, bruh.